if there's one sugar substitute that's not that bad, it would be stevia, maybe another one, erythritol. I just did a video on my morning smoothie. It's really bad. Not the video, the smoothie itself, and I do it every day. The best thing about this coffee is that it's not as bad as the smoothie. It's sort of a version of a bulletproof coffee. Has a lot of MCT oil and coconut oil in it. I'll share that with you. Also has some chocolate as well. I start off with a little bit of coconut creamer. And these, by the way, are when I'm not fasting. Again, 0 carbs in that. And you see that's a brand called So Delicious. They make a lot of coconut products. I'll skip over that for a second and then get back to it. I add a tiny bit of ghee, and I don't do like full teaspoons of any of this. I do like half teaspoon kind of things, kind of amounts. Again, 0 carbs. And as you can see from that golden color, it's that golden ghee that's supposedly got a lot of K2 in it and is from cows that eat real grass. Now, I've tried that a few times. Again, small amounts of that. Now, here come the haters. They'll say, you can't use that kind of coconut oil. It causes a problem, and you can tell that it's causing a problem because it's a solid at room temperature. I know I've used the liquid room temperature MCT oil, and I haven't gotten that deep into the evidence yet. I'm curious about that. I've heard many people say that they know that for sure. I'd like to see the evidence, like I feel about almost everything. A lot of haters about sugar substitutes. And again, I think a lot of people would say, well, if there's one sugar substitute that's not that bad, it would be stevia, maybe another one, erythritol. How true is that? Again, that's a whole different discussion. But I take I sweeten it with the stevia. I use those two, plus this, a little MCT oil powder. It's chocolate, and again, 0 carbs. Then I stir all of that up. I have a little Budum coffee frother. And as I said before, I drink it every day, except when I'm not fasting. Sometimes I still do it on a fasting day and turn it into a fat fast rather than a water fast. And it's not really that bad. You get used to it. And like I said, it's a heck of a lot better than the smoothie. Thanks for your interest. Thanks, and if you hit that subscribe or like button, it makes a big difference. An even bigger difference happens when you share. You can share on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest. When you do that, it makes a big difference in terms of the algorithm. It sends this to other people, realizing that humans think this is interesting information and helpful. Thank you again.